Tinanong ang aktres na si Julia Barreto kung siya ba ay papayag na bigyan ng pangalawang pagkakataon ang kanyang ex-boyfriend na si Joshua Garcia. Tinanong ito sa aktres nang siya ay makapanayam. At base naman sa sagot ni Julia, ay pareho na silang nag-move forward. Nako, pag binigyan ko, hindi na second chance yun. 9th chance na yun. So, lampas na ng second chance. You know what? Kidding aside. I think we're just really moving forward with our lives already. Hindi na kami parehong eager to go back to the past. Parehong klaro sa aming dalawa na we're friends and we're going to move forward. And I wish him the best and I hope that whoever he ends up with, sana ay talagang mahalin at alagaan siya ng mabuti. Yun lang naman. As for me, I'm moving forward and I'm very, very happy. And I'm really in good place with my life. There's no need to go back. Saad ng aktres nang siya ay makapanayam.
Share, subscribe!